Brexit has cleared the way for a United States of Europe, a German former MEP has said, as he blamed Brussels for not doing more to persuade Britain its future lay in Europe. And Hans-Olaf Henkel fears without Britain keep tabs on the situation, spending will spiral out of control, citing the crazy coronavirus recovery plan as an example. The bloc yesterday unveiled its €1.1 trillion budget, plus a €750 billion plan to prop up economies hit by the coronavirus pandemic, which includes €500 billion in grants, mostly to Spain and Italy, the hardest hit countries. Mr. Henkel, who stood down from the European Parliament last year, is a long-standing critic of many aspects of how the EU operates, and has lamented Brexit on numerous occasions. Speaking to Express, he stressed his reasons went far beyond the sentimental. He explained, UK was always critical when Brussels wanted EU taxes, increased budgets, government spending. When Brussels wanted more solidarity, London voted for self-responsibility. When Brussels wanted more power, London reminded the EU of its commitment to subsidiarity. When Brussels worked towards equalising the distribution of wealth in the EU, London insisted on competition as a policy making the EU more competitive. By contrast, he added, with Britain out of its way, the Europhiles now have a clear road towards the United States of Europe. With respect to the UK's decision to quit the bloc, Mr. Henkel had little doubt who was ultimately responsible. He said, Brexit would never have happened if Brussels had not kept on moving the EU towards an uncompetitive region. With Britain gone, Germany has now lost someone to hide behind Britain when it didn't dare herself to oppose French ideas. Historically, Britain had played a vital role in putting the brakes on EU spending, Mr. Henkel said. He added, now that Britain left, it is up to the remaining four, the Netherlands, Austria, Sweden and Switzerland, to oppose crazy ideas such as a €500 billion gift because of corona instead of a credit. The EU's blueprint, if ratified by all members of the EU 27, would mark a step towards mutualised debt, effectively spreading the costs across the bloc, as a major funding tool for the first time, and would pave the way for greater EU powers of taxation.